Peking Opera. Peking Opera, also referred to as Pingju or Jingxi in Chinese, is currently the most influential opera in China. It is regarded as an intangible cultural heritage of China. Peking Opera was born when the four great Anhui troops brought Anhui Opera, or what is now called Huiju, in 1719 to Beijing, for the 80th birthday of the Qianlong Emperor on September 25th. Peking Opera was originally staged for the court and was only made available to the public later. In 1828, several Hubei troops arrived in Beijing and performed jointly with Anhui troops. The combination gradually formed Peking Opera's melodies, and having Peking Opera generally regarded fully formed by 1845. Peking Opera's two main melodies, Xipi and Erhuang, derived from Han Opera after about 1750. The tune of Peking Opera is extremely similar to that of Han Opera. Therefore, Han Opera is widely known as the mother of Peking Opera. Xipi literally means shadow play, referring to the puppet show that originated in Shanxi province. Chinese puppet shows always involve singing. Much dialogue is also carried out in an archaic form of Mandarin Chinese, of which the Zhongyuan Mandarin dialects of Henan and Shanxi are closest. This form of Mandarin is recorded in the book Zhongyuan Yingyun. Some scholars believe that the Xipi musical form derived from historical qinqiang, while many conventions of staging, performance elements, and aesthetic principles were retained from kunqu, the form that preceded it as a court art. Today, Peking Opera is regarded as one of the cultural treasures of China and has also spread to other countries. It serves as a bridge through which the traditional Chinese culture is introduced to other parts of the world. Over the past hundreds of years, the roles of Peking Opera have been simplified to today's Sheng, Dan, Jing, and Chou, known as the four major roles in Peking Opera. The Sheng is the main male role in Peking Opera. The Dan refers to any female role in Peking Opera. The Jing is a painted-faced male role. Depending on the repertoire of the particular troupe, he will play either primary or secondary roles. This type of role will entail a forceful character, so a Jing must have a strong voice and be able to exaggerate gestures. The Chou is a male clown role. The Chou usually plays secondary roles in a troupe. Chou has the meaning ugly in Chinese. This reflects the traditional belief that a clown's combination of ugliness and laughter would drive away evil spirits. The main color in a facial makeup symbolizes the disposition and destiny of the character. As one of the essential elements of Peking Opera, the masks can help the audience better understand the opera. To put it simple, red indicates devotion, bravery, and uprightness. Black indicates either a rough and bold character or an impartial and selfless personality. Blue represents staunchness, fierceness, and astuteness. A grin face tells the audience that the character is impulsive and violent, and depicts surely stubbornness, impetuosity, and a total lack of self-restraint. Yellow signifies fierceness, ambition, and cool-headedness. White suggests treacherousness, suspiciousness, and craftiness. Gold and silver are usually used for gods and spirits. The archetypes of masks were found in a primitive society where the people used masks to perform religious rituals. The masks have three features: a combination of beauty and ugliness, an indication of the disposition of the character, and a fixed pattern for drawing. For different roles, the masks can vary a great deal. The makeup for the Sheng and the Dan can be simpler, while the makeup for the Jing and the Chou can be rather heavy. And for the Jing in particular, the pattern can be quite complex. The Peking opera masks often refer to the makeup of the Jing. For the Chou, they only need to powder their noses so as to form the image of a clown. Thank you for listening to Niko's Story Factory. I hope you've enjoyed the story today.